What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup.
My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. Yeah. My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. Like this tone. Yeah. My intuition is telling me
It's going to be a battle of the boxes between Ipsy and Sephora Play for the month of August 2018. Sounded like a news reporter. 2018. I'm a little delirious right now. I just worked 3 nights in a row and I haven't gone to sleep yet. I'm like, my makeup's already done. I might as well just film a video. But then I forget like how much preparation it actually takes to like set everything out. Anyways, so both of these subscription boxes are $10 a month. If you have been watching my Battle of the Boxes for a little bit, you probably know that Sephora Play is my favorite beauty subscription box, but Ipsy does surprise me sometimes, and I think it was a couple months ago they actually won. So I never really know. So if you do like these types of videos, unboxings, please let me know by giving them a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Did I even have to say it? Just subscribe. And then let us get into these 2 boxes. So we're gonna start with Ipsy. So here is this month's bag. It is like a pastel orange with a yellow trim and a little fringe zipper. Okay, I mean, it's cute. It's nothing extraordinary, but I will take it. So, the first product is not in the bag, so I'm just gonna go with this. And it is the Brown Blush Highlighter Brush. Blush Highlighter Brush. Well, which one is it? Is it for blush or is it for highlighter? Let's see. For this, I would probably use for blush, but hey, whatever floats your boat. One thing I really do like about these crown brushes that I've been getting from Ipsy is, if you can see, there's indentations in the brush, and that's where your fingers go. I really like that, because like sometimes I can hold my brushes too close, so I like that it has the little indents there. So this is a synthetic brush. If you can see, it is very soft, but it's also dense. I just don't think it would work well as a highlighting brush, but who knows? Who knows? So I love getting brushes. Excited about that. Moving on. So this is Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara, length and volume. Okay. I have not heard of Thrive before, and the color is Bryn, which says it's a rich black. So here's what it looks like. Here is the brush. I've been getting so many mascaras with a brush like similar to this, like thin and spiky, but I do like these types of brushes because they do a really good job of separating and lengthening the lashes. So I will have to try this. Alright, the second product is this Caudalie Vino Perfect Essence. Ooh. So it says it is a concentrated brightening essence. What are you doing, baby? Oh. The first step to fight against dark spots. This essence combines efficacy and gentleness to reveal the skin's original radiance. Complexion looks more even and bright. Apply morning and evening before your serum on cleansed skin with a cotton pad or the tips of your fingers, face and neck. Okay, I have heard about this and have been wanting to try it. So Caudalie is an amazing high-end skincare brand and I'm excited about this. The third product is this Answer from Luminous Collagen Eye Cream. It says hydration and protection, energizing and smoothing. This luminous collagen eye cream delivers vital nutrients to the eye area, gently moisturizing and instantly brightening the dry, uneven, tired looking skin. Okay, I have never heard of this brand. Answer from who? You know what I should start doing? I should start doing videos of like how I feel about the products that I get in my boxes, because there's a lot of things that I never even used from these boxes, and then there's other things that I really like, and then I go on to, you know, like buy the full-size item because I love this so much. It just really depends. Okay, so the last product, I saved the best for last. Okay, it is this Ciate London Glow 2 Highlighter. Illuminating powder highlighter in Moon Dust. Ugh, I love their bamboo bronzer, and I have been eyeing this on Sephora. I just stalked the Sephora website. It's normal behavior, right? So, oh, here is what it looks like. Ooh, that's like really smooth. Look at that. Oh my god. I can't even. Oh my god. I'm so excited. And that's like a good size for a sample. How big does it say it is? Well, it sounds small on here, but it's 0.052 ounces, but that is it. I really like that formula and that color. All right, so I'm excited about the highlighter, the brush, the Caudalie. The other two items, I'm like, eh. So we are going to move on to Play by Sephora. Okay, so this month's theme is Beauty Schooled, and this, if you take it into a Sephora store, you get 50 beauty insider points, but I never go in the store and I forget it anyways when I do. So here is the bag for August. Very cute. It says back to beauty school. Aww. But who cares about the bag? Let's get into the products. So the first product is, it is this Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel. So is it the clear brow gel? Yes. So oh my god, I have this already. I have gotten a sample and I have the full size, which is almost empty. But if you are looking for a good clear brow gel, like this is it. This, like, it's just like glue. It is perfect. It just sets your brows and they do not move. They do not budge at all. I mean, I'm excited about it because it's an awesome product, but it's a product I already have. So we are going to move on. So the next product is this Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Lipstick in C211. So it says a highly pigmented lipstick in a soft rosewood shade with a smooth satin finish. Why do I feel like I already have this color? So let's see what it looks like. I swear I have this. I'm not gonna swatch it because I think I have like 2 of these already and I want to be able to save it for a giveaway. But I mean, it's a beautiful color. It's just, there's only so many you need. Never thought I would say that about lipstick, but I just did. Please don't hold me to that. All right, the third product is this Living Proof BD Multitasking Styler. So, a versatile styling cream that can be, that can be used to define or smooth wet or dry hair. It says it's great for all hair types and can be used on wet and dry hair. Whether you're looking for curl definition, tousled texture, tamed flyaways, or voluminous blowout. This is a good product that I already have as well. I do like that you can blow dry or air dry your hair with this product because there's a lot of products I have that are like blow dry only, and I've been doing so good at not using heat on my hair. All right, moving on to the next product. It is this Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Bronzer. I am glad that I got another one. It's shattered everywhere. I was like, no! And I do have the full-size Hoola Light. But before there was Hoola Light, there was the regular Hoola, which I loved probably just as much. This is like the best, most universal, most flattering bronzer on the market. If you're just looking for a good solid bronzer that's gonna work with a lot of different skin tones, this is it. Oh, it's just perfect. So let me show you just the difference between Hoola and Hoola Light. It's not too warm tone, it doesn't have like red in it. Especially if you're fair, either depending on how fair you are, one of these will work for you, trust me. And the last product before my bonus is this Origins Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. And it says a purifying mask that deeply cleans and refines pores for silky, smooth skin. So it says this 2-in-1 mask uses Mediterranean rose clay, Canadian willow herb, and exfoliating jojoba beads to cleanse skin and visibly reduce the look of pores for a radiant, youthful complexion. I think I got a sample of this like a long time ago, but I don't remember. But I am really excited to try this. Origins is a great skincare brand, and anything with rose in it, yes please. That's my middle name. Okay, so my bonus is this Quay Volume Shampoo and Conditioner. Okay, so here's the dealio. If I didn't already have the majority of the products from Sephora Play would win hands down, because these are like some OG like holy grail status products. Like this, yes. This, yes. These lipsticks, yes. And Living Proof, like all of them, they're all high-end quality products. But it's just like a little bit disappointing when, you know, you receive products that you already have. That's probably my own fault for having way too much makeup, but I'm still gonna say that Sephora Play won, just because if you don't have any of these products, this is a solid box. Like, this box is on point. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Which box do you think is better? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you do like it, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.